Tatlong signs na ang BPI Rewards Card ay para sa'yo. Number 1, mahilig kang kumain sa labas. Pwede ka kasing makakuha ng 50% discount when you use your BPI Rewards Card. This is only valid for dine-in transactions on Fridays and Saturdays with a minimum spend of 3,000 pesos and a maximum discount of 2,500 pesos. Take note lang that this is only one of the many promos they have with restaurants. Number 2, mahilig kang mag-shopping. Alam mo ba na may year-round promos ang BPI Rewards Card sa Zalora, Shipping Cart at Sephora. Halimbawa, sa Zalora, you can enjoy 200 pesos off if you are a new Zalora user. Free shipping naman if existing Zalora user ka. Make sure lang guys na gagamitin mo yung product na bibilhin mo. The discount is only a bonus. If you want to stay updated on any other BPI credit card promos, download Oh My Deals by BPI Cards on your phone. Number 3, mahilig kang mag-travel. For every 35 pesos spend kasi sa BPI Rewards Card, may matatanggap ka na 1 point. Habang lumalaki yung points mo, pwede mo i-convert into rewards tulad ng air miles. Libre na ang airfare mo at may travel insurance ka pa up to 2 million pesos when you book your flights using BPI Rewards Card. Eto lang yung tip ko sa inyo. Make sure na kaya mo bayaran ang statement balance before the due date para hindi ka ma-chargean ng interest. So kung gusto mo ma-apply ng credit card na to, the link is in the comments or bio.